most productive day ever. Hi everyone, my name is Ana Arenas, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to be productive, how to achieve results, and how to be motivated again. Now what's happening here? Most people do not achieve anything because they do not set goals. And the reason why setting goals is important is because first of all you set a direction. Second of all, you start to build and gain momentum, which is key in order to grow, be motivated, and achieve the desired results. And third, most people are only worried about surviving. So I'm going to explain more. We have survival goals, which are what most people unconsciously want. And survival goals mean that you are inside a vicious cycle, you know, that it goes on and on. And you want a job, or if you don't have a job, if you have a business, you want clients, and those clients are going to give you money, and that money is going to help you pay bills, and those bills are going to help you be okay or live better. Survival goals means that you cannot make it to fulfill the basic needs. In terms of personal life, I mean shelter, I mean clothing, I mean food. And in terms of business, I mean you cannot pay your employees' payroll, you cannot pay light, rent, you barely have a few clients. So you are inside a vicious cycle. And most people never leave these vicious cycles. They go from a 9-to-5 job, which is a survival kind of life, into a self-made employee, which is also trying to survive, but now in terms of business. And this will never motivate you, and this is why people do not motivate themselves. Because every human being in this planet has the right to define the basic needs. Everyone has the right to fulfill the basic needs. So if you don't have one of those, you are not having something that is it's right for you just because you are on this planet. So that will never motivate you because it doesn't make you grow. And everything that does not make you grow does not empower you. So this is the reason why you are feeling stuck, you are feeling low, you feel depressed, you feel like your day is not moving, you don't like your business, and you don't like your job, because your goals are survival goals. I'm gonna teach you in today's video about SMART goals. Now stay here, because at the end of this video, if you watch this free training, I'm going to give you a free gift for everyone who stayed at the end of this video. So, SMART goals. First of all, your goals need to be bigger than what you currently have. They need to be bigger than yourself. Otherwise, you will not feel motivated. So S stands for specific. What does specific means? You cannot set a goal like, I want to build a business. That's not a specific. It doesn't say what kind of business. It doesn't say when are you starting it, what do you want, why do you want it. You need to be specific, because otherwise you get distracted. Specific means focus, to center all of your attention into one thing. I need 5 clients at the end of this week. I want one business that it's going to make me this and this at the end of the year, okay? Now, M stands for measurable. And here's why. What cannot be measured cannot be controlled. And what cannot be controlled cannot be improved. So you will never know if something is doing right or wrong if you do not measure something. You cannot know if your employees are doing something wrong, if your sales method is not working, if your lead generation method is not working, if you do not measure. You need to track, iterate, improve, and do it again. This is a cycle that you need to build in anything and everything that you do in life and in business. Now, A stands for actionable. They say that the world is full of great ideas that are not being implemented. So we can have a goal, and that goal can be in our dreams, in our head. I'm going to be a business owner one day. But that day never comes. Why? Because we do not set action. And the hardest thing and the hardest step that you need to do is step number 1, which is get started. And in order to get started, you need to realize that you will never know enough. Once I finish this book, I will start. Once I finish this book, I will start. Once I save $10,000, once I do this. No, it will never be enough. And you are just postponing these start dates because in your head you are afraid. You are afraid that if you try and you fail, you cannot do it, you cannot fulfill your goal. So you will be like, okay, I cannot start if I do not have this resume or this list of activities, because otherwise I'm not ready, otherwise I will fail. And let me tell you what, you will fail. But everyone fails, and failure is a necessary thing for our growth and learning. So start. How are you going to start? What are you going to do? Start with baby steps. That is the key, baby steps. I'm going to research for half an hour. I'm going to open my LLC this month. I'm going to speak to 30 potential clients this week. I'm going to do what? Baby steps. S.m.a.r.t stands for results. Most people don't know what they want. Like, why? Why are we doing this? Why is this our goal? Why? What kind of results do we want? So why and what? Why do we want those, and what kind of results? I want $5,000 at the end of the month. That's the expected result. What if I don't make it? Well, I need to measure what did not work. I need to do an action plan, and I need to go back and fulfill my plan. What will happen once I get this? Most people stop here. They start a business because they want to make 5K or 10K or whatever goal. And once they have that kind of money, they stop. T.start stands for time. Most people know what they want and know why they want it, but they don't know for when. This is when. And the best advice that I can give you here is you need to set an end date. I want to make 5K at the end of the month. For example, let's say December 30, I want 5K. Okay, now we are going to do something that is called reverse engineer. And today's date is October. So if I want 5K at the end of December, I want 2.5K in November. And what am I gonna do? Well, I want every week how much money. And I'm going to start setting mini dates of mini goals that are going to zoom and add to my main goal. But I need to set a time. Otherwise, none of these will work. Now, there are many kinds of goals that you can implement. There are many strategies. People will tell you different things. At the end, in my opinion, is you need to learn and you need to be able to break your survival bubble that you are in right now. You need to be able to start dreaming. And you need to start getting used to setting goals and achieving them. Because if you are not used to doing that, you are going to put objections, because deep down you feel like you don't deserve them. So start with a small goal, fulfill that goal, thank that goal and those results, and make a bigger one. And you're going to start being used to money, success, wealth, and all of the good things that you deserve. So this is the technique of SMART goals. You can implement it anytime for anything that you want in life. This does not only apply in business. Now, for the people who stayed at this point of the video, we have a free networking group that I want to invite you. I upload content every week there. There's free training, there's networking opportunities, a lot of business owners, and a lot of value that you can get for free. Here is the link below and you can join. Also, I have a free class that is made for you, for business owners who want to grow, want to build something. I'm gonna leave the link below too. Thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.